Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After the screen wakes up, press the lower button to open the control panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon icon, and this is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. If you want to enable the mode, you can tap on this icon. It will open the menu, and here we have options like on, turn on for 1 hour, then or for 4 hours, and custom. If you tap on, it will turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, and it will stay on until you turn it off. If you select turn on for 1 hour, it will turn on and stay on for 1 hour and then turn off automatically. If you select turn on for 4 hours, it will turn on, stay up for 4 hours and then turn off. And custom option allows you to turn on the schedule for it, or turn on the option to sync with the phone. I'm just gonna use the normal one, turn on. You will see the message DND is on. The icon at the top of the watch face will appear, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you open the control panel, you will see that the icon was highlighted, which indicates that the mode is enabled as well. And if you want to turn off the mode, you can simply tap on the icon again. You will see the message DND is off. The icon will go back to gray color, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And if you want to make a schedule for it to turn on automatically and turn on automatically, or turn on and turn off automatically, my bad, open the Do Not Disturb mode menu, select custom, turn on scheduled, and then you will see start time and end time, and you can set it to whatever you like. Start time is basically when the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on, so you can set it to something you like. Then we have the end time, so the time on which it will be turning off. Okay, and now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 7:30 a.m. Like I said before, you can also enable the option to sync the Do Not Disturb mode with the phone, but you will need to allow some permissions on your phone for that to work. Okay, and that's how you turn on, or how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.